think there's several considerations when you're trying to stay on top of best X and make sure that you're doing the best job you can. I think, stepping back from a big picture perspective, I think it's really important to know, what you're talking about when it comes to best X. So am I trying to optimize my execution for a portfolio that is going to be repeatedly in the market with multiple trades that are all correlated with each other, right? So all the different orders may be in different securities, but your desire to get the first trade done at the best possible price, if it gives up information about all the future trades that you might be doing for that day or that week, that price improvement might wind up being very costly. So sort of big picture, you have to figure out, what am I trying to do? Which securities am I trading? What time horizon am I trying to get my execution done on? What fraction of the market for that particular security am I going to be? And then you can start to think about, on an execution basis, what protocols are going to serve me best. Maybe starting off with protocols that disclose a lot less information, but give me the opportunity to possibly get filled at a mid-market price. And that's where you see things like dark pools in the equity space are sort of a first choice for people. And then if they're not filled over time, some of those other protocols where you have to give up a little bit more information, but ultimately get a higher certainty of fill, those are good options to move to. That's one of the reasons why at OpenDoor we don't really view ourselves ultimately in competition with the RFQ model specifically. We think looking at the other markets out there, there's a wide range of possible protocols that can be used in the marketplace, and different people will use different ones at different times. That's the lesson from equities, that's a lesson from FX. And so, OpenDoor wants to exist in that space where we are an option, and hopefully one that, given our lack of information disclosure, is sort of valuable in the early stages of trying to find a match.